Hello everyone. This is a brief introduction to RMarkdown. RMarkdown is a powerful method for creating reports containing text, images, mathematical equations, tables, and also R codes and outputs. RMarkdown is a powerful way to create reports of statistical analysis. To work with RMarkdown in RStudio, you need RMarkdown and knit-R packages installed in your machine. In addition to the RMarkdown and knit-R, I also use tidyverse package. Okay, now let's get straight to the point. You can see a screenshot of RStudio window. This is console. In R, there are three ways you can code. You can directly type R codes on R console and press enter to get the outputs. If the output is a plot, you will get the result in the plot panel like this. If it is a text, you will get the output on the console itself. The second option is you can use an R script to write R codes. You can open an empty script file by clicking File, New File, R script. After that, you can write your code in the R script file like this. In order to get the output, you need to pass the code to the console. One way to do that is select the lines you want to pass to the console and click Run button. Then the code will be executed in the R console and you will get the output. Actually, here our script file is like a recipe. You write your code here so R knows what to cook. Console is where the cooking happens, like boiling, grilling, roasting, and many more. Of course, you can cook without writing a recipe. But you may struggle to remember the steps if you ever want to make the same dish again. Anyway, in both cases, you have the code in a separate place and outputs in a separate place. It would be great if we can arrange the code and the R outputs in a one place like this. First code underneath its output. That's where the R markdown comes into play. Furthermore, sometimes we want to add titles to a report like this. With R markdown, you can easily do that. Here, this is called the output file. Here you have the R markdown document. I generated this output file. Based on this R markdown document. Furthermore, you can prepare reports like this. You can style your report by adding a navigation bar like this. This is also generated based on this RMarkdown document on your left-hand side. You can also add tabs like this. By using RMarkdown, you can easily integrate text, your R codes, the results of the R codes, conclusions, all in one document. RMarkdown helps you to keep the entire research process in one document. Furthermore, this allows you to share your analysis with others, and the person you share it with can return your RMarkdown document and get the exact same report you got. That's what we mean by research reproducibility. Let's see how to create an RMarkdown document.